Hello everyone. Welcome to DinMo, the Composable CDP. In this video, I'm going to give you a demo on how to use DinMo's observability features to detect changes that might occur in the data warehouse, and that could break the connection with DinMo. What I'm going to show you during this video is that the model is linked to a table or a view. There is a schema connected to fields that are tied to columns. To begin, let's imagine a first scenario. We have a data engineer who changed the name of a column. For example, the column email. What we tried to do earlier was to come here and say that the column email is no longer called email, but is now called mail. Then I'm going to try updating the view. We have automatic detection running every night that will generate the lineage and check if there are any broken links affecting the definitions of models, segments, or attributes. You can also manually launch it from the source settings, testing everything in the workspace and in the model itself. So now I'll relaunch and refresh this check, and we'll see that it detects that this column has changed. As you can see, it can no longer find a column named email with the type string. DinMo automatically pauses the refresh of all objects that depend on the field detected as erroneous. Now we need to resolve this break in the chain. We have two options. Either we drop the field, remove it from the schema that is connected to DinMo, or, since it's a renamed column, tell the system that it's no longer email, but now mail. We update it, which resolves the chain. Afterward, the workspace goes back to normal. DinMo automatically reactivates all objects like segments or synchronizations previously paused and performs the necessary synchronizations. The alert will disappear from here. Now, second case. Let's say we want to completely change the source table because we have a new model, in dbt, to review the data connected to the customer's model. This is also something that can be done entirely. So what I did was create a new view called Customers Test Breaking Changes, and I'm going to try switching to it here. So now, instead of the table Customers Without Dimensions, we're using Customers Test Breaking Changes. At this point, the model in DinMo will try to see if there's the same primary keys with the same name and type. It's the case, so that part works. But we also have some fields and associated source columns that can't be found anymore. We've lost their source column. Two choices. Either we link them to other columns, but here we intentionally made them disappear, or we drop them. We no longer need them. Then I can update my customer's model. There you go. The update was successful. That's great. This allows me, as you can see, to completely change the source table while maintaining continuity. That means all the segments created under customers will continue to work. It's just that their SQL queries will now reference the new table instead of the old one. The idea is to let you maintain a seamless connection between what's happening in the data warehouse and what's happening in DinMo. Know that, as I mentioned, all these changes are detected automatically. Their impact on the segments may appear here, with a message saying, "This segment uses a column with a field that has a problem." Or, as you can see here, there may be issues in the field mapping that need to be resolved, typically because the email field disappeared. You can go ahead and fix it directly from this interface. So, that's everything I wanted to cover today. I hope this video was helpful, and don't hesitate to leave a comment below or contact us if you have any questions. It would be a pleasure to go into more detail on these features, which I believe are crucial for robust marketing and sales use cases, and enhance collaboration between data and marketing teams. Thanks, and see you in the next video.